Kitchen in Chinese is 厨房厨房厨房 All the delicious food is waiting in the refrigerator. Refrigerator in Chinese is 冰箱冰箱冰箱冰 means ice. 箱 means box. Let's put this flavored chicken into the oven to get it ready for that crispy, juicy, and golden look. But first, let's learn how to say oven. Oven in Chinese is 烤箱烤箱烤箱烤 means roast. 箱 means box. And let's heat some pork rib soup in the microwave. Microwave in Chinese is 微波炉微波炉微波炉微 means macro. 波 means wave. 炉 means stove. And make some fried rice on the stove. Stove in Chinese is 炉子炉子炉子 Okay, also turn on the kitchen fan to keep the kitchen nice and clean. Kitchen fan in Chinese is 抽油烟机抽油烟机抽油烟机 Don't worry, let's break this down. 抽 means inhale. 油 means oil. 烟 means smoke. 机 means machine. 抽油烟机 Inhale oil smoke machine. Food is ready. Let's get some tableware from the cabinet. Cabinet in Chinese is 柜子柜子柜子 Great! Let's eat!